Hello and welcome. This is Jasur from JR & Firm. In this short video, I'd like to talk about one change for the company formation in China. And this change actually makes it much easier for foreign-owned companies to start their visa process. Now, before we talk about this new policy, I would like to remind and talk about the previous situation. So previously, up until now, if you had a WFOE in China, as a company director, you had to be present here in China when you are starting for the visa process. Why? Because before you actually initiate the visa process, you had to visit the labor department in the place where your company is registered. For example, in Shanghai. Now, once you get the company documents, license and everything, now you want to start this visa process. You as a company director, you had to visit the labor department. And of course, for people who doesn't have any problems with the waiting and time frames here, it's not an issue. However, if your time is limited and you want to fly out back to your home country or you have other plans, then waiting here in China can be actually a waste of time for most companies. Now, according to new policy now, this whole thing can be done remotely, but there is one condition. The condition is you have to hire one Chinese employee. Then you will have to keep them at least like 3 months before you initiate the work visa process for you as a company director. The way it works is basically once the company documents are ready and you open the bank account, of course for the bank account you have to be present here. Now the bank account is open, tax registration is finished, customs registration is also finished, then company is active. But now you want to initiate the visa process, but you are outside of China. So in this scenario, your Chinese employee should be employed by your company for at least 3 months. And during this 3 months, you have to pay their pension fund, obviously, which is around 2,000 yuan a month. Now, after the 3 months period is finished, now this is basically by law probation period. After that, your Chinese employee can visit the labor department to initiate a foreign employee's visa, including company director. He or she can bring the company documents, stamps and everything to the labor department. Then she can get approval. Okay, you don't have to be present at the labor department anymore as a company director. So once the labor account is active, then your Chinese employee again can go online, the website of the labor department, and then apply for your work permit notification. This notification is generated on the website. Okay, once it's obtained, he or she can send a copy of the notification letter through email to you, and then with that you can go to the Chinese embassy. Then you can apply for your Z visa. Z visa, if you don't know, it's an entry work visa basically. It's given for 1 month only. So the condition for getting Z visa is 30 days upon arrival. You will have to convert it to residence permit with the right to work for your own company. So the conversion process, we discussed this before. It's divided into 2 stages. Part one, it will be to apply for your work permit card. Then once you obtain the work permit card, you will have to go to the visa office, local visa office, to apply for a residence permit. Residence permit is attached to your work permit card. Okay, but that's going to happen after you enter China with your Z visa. To summarize, okay, it might sound complicated once again, just like any other topic related to China, doing business here. But if we simplify it, previously, company director had to be present at the labor department in order to get this permission to hire foreign employees for a China company. And now, starting from 2024, it's not required anymore. Okay, what you can do is, like I said, hire one Chinese employee and keep this Chinese employee for at least 3 months before you can initiate work permit for foreigners from distance, basically. You don't have to be here in China. So this is it for today. All the questions related to doing business in China can be sent to our email here, which are on the screen. Also, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. And if you would like to talk to me in person, feel free to make an appointment. You can see the appointment link on the screen as well. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.